Hi, today we're excited to present the Azure Copilot Observability Agent, a powerful new capability in Microsoft Azure Monitor. The Azure Copilot Observability Agent leverages AI to investigate and diagnose a full-stack service which understanding the breadth and depth of telemetry collected by Azure Monitor. It delivers intelligent findings that explain the root cause of service degradation, backed by supporting data. Meet Joe, a site reliability engineer. Joe is responsible for troubleshooting complex workloads and suddenly receives numerous alerts indicating a malfunction. With a vast number of data sources and tools in Azure to review, Joe is uncertain where to start. To get help, Joe triggers an investigation directly from the alert email she received. She can also launch the investigation from the alert details page. The agent immediately begins analyzing data to identify and troubleshoot the problem. It creates an issue to organize the troubleshooting process and consolidate all relevant information. Then, it actively scans data from multiple sources, orchestrating the investigation and streamlining the workflow. The agent has produced several findings, and Joe decides to look into them. Within each finding, Joe can view a comprehensive AI-generated summary of what went wrong, why it happened, and how to fix it. Joe reviews the information and the actionable insights provided. She follows the suggested steps to click the performance diagnostic link. Then she identifies the process causing the high CPU, terminates the process, restarts the machine, and marks the issue as mitigated. Alternatively, Joe can look at the supporting data to understand the underlying data that supports the presented findings. Joe clicks to view an expanded view of the investigation details. The agent orchestrates various sub-agents and data sources to facilitate a seamless investigation process. Metric analysis is a key feature. The agent scans Azure resources in the investigation target for anomalies in platform metrics. We also provide a link to the anomaly metric itself, so Joe can view it specifically if desired. The agent also performs application insights log analysis by scanning application data for anomalies, including dependencies, exceptions, and request failure events. For each event, rich information is provided. Related alerts are brought into the investigation context by the investigation, adding valuable context to the failure. The agent also brings diagnostic data based on abnormal telemetry from Azure support best practices. The agent offers smart scoping for application insights resources. It automatically drills down from the application layer to the infrastructure. In this case, we automatically identify possible suspected resources by examining failed dependencies in application insights and run analysis on them as well. The agent checks for anomalies in dependent resources, including metrics anomalies and resource health. This comprehensive analysis ensures that all potential sources of issues are considered. Joe suspects the degradation started 12 hours before the alert fired. Joe can refine the investigation by changing the investigation time and analyzed resources, and running a new investigation. In summary, the new Azure Copilot Observability Agent capabilities from Azure Monitor enable SREs to troubleshoot smarter. With AI-powered investigations and actionable insights, the time and effort spent on troubleshooting problems are dramatically reduced, while customer satisfaction increases. Thank you.